Welcome. Discover the transformative power of life energy exercise with Julia H. Sun, a master of Daoist Qigong healing. Today, you'll learn why her teaching is unmatched and how life energy exercise can restore your health, vitality, and balance. Julia's healing journey. Julia's personal journey is remarkable. After suffering from debilitating pain, fatigue, fainting, and even cancer, she turned to life energy exercise, especially Steelman Qigong, and experienced profound recovery. Born during the Great Starvation in China, Julia overcame fragile health and multiple illnesses through Qigong and natural self-care. Why Julia is the best teacher. Her unique personal healing experience gives her unmatched insight. Coupled with decades of teaching and mastery of the human energy system, Julia's guidance ensures you learn life energy exercise effectively. Her system addresses root causes of ailments, enhances energy and its flow, and restores harmony to the whole body and mind. Benefits of life energy exercise. Practicing Steelman Qigong strengthens every organ, balances energy, and promotes longevity. It restores health at the root level, prevents energy depletion, and enhances vitality. Young or old, healthy or chronically ill, everyone benefits, whether you want increased strength, energy, or relief from illness. Join Julia Sun's life energy exercise class today. Learn the authentic Qigong healing system and start your journey toward vitality, balance, and longevity. Explore the full set of Steelman Qigong exercises in this playlist. Learn the details of each movement and their benefits in our training, and transform your health from the inside out.